Illustrator tutorial. Hello and welcome to the Abbott22 tutorial on creating an Adobe Illustrator document with print bleed. This tutorial covers any document that requires a background to go to the edge of the printed page. So let's get started. From the Start menu, choose New. This will bring up the New Document Preferences page.
For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to set up a business card. So I'm going to call this file business card-landscape. The intention of this document is print, so we choose print from the drop-down menu. The default measurement system for Illustrator is points, but metric is much easier to work with. So from the drop-down menu, we choose millimeters. This will now allow us to put in the measurements of our card. So working on that, Australian standard size for business cards is 90mm wide by 50mm deep. Moving to the advanced options, click on the Advanced tab and check that the following is selected. Color mode should be set to CMYK, raster effects at 300 ppi, and the preview mode can remain at default. Click on OK now to create our template.
Two things I'm going to do here to make things a bit easier. I'm going to zoom out so that the card cut line in black here is easily visible. I'm also going to turn on rulers by going to the View menu and selecting Show Rulers. I'm now going to put some guides on the page which will become our bleed line. In this case, I'm going to allow 5mm on each side. Now you are ready to apply your design to the card. Keep in mind that any background that you want to extend to the edge of the card should be extended out to the blue bleed line. Let's lay down a red box to show you this process. The black line is the cut line. This is the edge of your card. With the background extended out to the blue bleed line, we also recommend that you have a 3mm safety margin within the black cut line. Keep your text within this margin to ensure it does not get cut off. I am now going to pull up an example of a finished business card. You will notice that the coffee cup and background go out to the blue bleed line, and the black line is where the card will be cut. Once you have finished your design, we can get it ready for sending to print. To do this, we go to the File menu and choose Save a Copy. Name your file accordingly, and in this case, I'm going to save to my desktop. In the Format box, it is important to choose Adobe PDF. This will make the file portable with no requirements for you to supply us with links or fonts. In the PDF Preferences page, Adobe have been kind enough to put some presets in, so we are going to choose PDFX-4 2007. We turn on the View PDF After Saving option here, so we can check our work, and then proceed to the Marks and Bleeds options. Here we turn on Trim Marks, and below in the Bleeds box we enter our bleed setting. In this case it is 5mm. You just need to match whatever you have set your bleed guides for in Illustrator. Finally, click on Save PDF. This will display your finished card with bleed and trim marks, perfect for printing. Feel free to visit us at Abbott22.com and pick up a template of the file I've just created. And don't forget to come back and upload your file for quoting. With a print-ready file, you have already saved on artwork fees. If you have any questions, you can call us direct on 08 8340 3244. We're open 8:30 AM to 5:30 PM Australian Central Time.